Today I'm going to show you guys how I wash my car. Try to make this kind of quick because my battery's about to die. But first we're going to start off with the pre-soak. So we're just going to go one body panel of the car at a time. That way this will take away all the dirt, dead bugs. Make sure we get all of it. Just gonna walk around to this side. But yeah, first get the car completely pre-soaked. That way we can get all that dirt off. I'm pretty sure this helps remove wax buildup, and then you can just reapply wax. It doesn't damage the paint. Remember, completely cover the car. Once you get the car completely pre-soaked, you're gonna go to the pressure wash soap. Completely rinse all of this off. Okay, once you've thoroughly washed the entire part of the car, we're gonna go on to our next step. All right, so once you've done your high pressure soap, we're gonna go to the wax. Just add a little layer of protection to the car. Okay, now we're on the high pressure rinse. This will be the last step, and then we can start to dry up the car. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to drying the car. One thing I do want to mention is that these brushes right here, a lot of people, you'll see them, they use the soap, they apply the soap to the brush. They aren't too rough on the touch, but scratching it and putting enough pressure on your car will mess up the paint, and you don't want to do that to your car. Cause it to go dull over time. And what I have in my car, it's always good to have some microfiber towels with you. I actually use different colors for different things. Like I use the yellow for wax, and I do have my own bottle of wax back here that I picked up from, I think, an O'Reilly store. Yeah, it was O'Reilly's. Ice spray wax. It's pretty easy to use. Okay. And then I have one of these. Forgot what it's even called. But yep, we're gonna dry up the car. And it's really quick, it's easy process. So you start from one body panel at a time and just do it lightly. Straight streaks, just like this, and do it lightly. You're gonna go long and slow. Okay, so my GoPro died. We're pretty much done. I just have to get the top. I don't know if the camera's catching that. Okay, good. But it's pretty much spotless now. We've dried it up with our microfiber towels. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty clean. Yeah, we're gonna finish drying this up and then we're gonna apply some wax to it. We're gonna apply some wax that I bought from O'Reilly. The car is actually looking pretty good without the wax. Okay, so what we're gonna do is mist a body panel of the car, spray mist, don't drench it, and then you just wipe it and wipe it out with the microfiber towel. Okay, that should be good enough. Then you're gonna wipe. Slow, smooth streaks. And make sure you don't do it too hard. You don't have to put a lot of pressure. And then just repeat this step. Guys, this is my second time actually using this. And this is my second time washing my car at a touchless car wash. And the washes, they turn out really great. Like really great. And like I said, I got this from, this works really well. You only have to use these about, I'd say once every 3 months, unless you pre-soak your car often. And you can still wash your car every week. You don't have to wax it all the time though. I wouldn't recommend it because at some point it'll just be wax on top of wax and you won't be cleaning the paint at all. But yeah, I'm gonna apply this to the rest of the car and then we'll see the results. Honestly, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. The car is waxed, washed. I didn't do the tires. I don't have a tire shine product yet. I know they have a tire shine here, but I don't know. I didn't take the time, I guess. The car is shiny. Don't mind the scratches. That's how the car came whenever I bought it. Like I said, I bought the car about 4 months ago. Yeah, it came with these scratches on the front. I'm not too worried about it. In person, it's very noticeable when you're looking at it from the front. But like I said, that doesn't really matter because the car overall was in good condition. But yeah, here it is. Shiny, and the wax actually lasts for a while, and it makes your car stand out too. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to try it yourself, it's really easy. It just takes some time. It takes probably about 45 minutes, 30 minutes. I think about 30 minutes. The wash itself probably takes about, for me, it takes about 15 minutes. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.